What happens is after a car accident, you or the other driver, or maybe both, file an insurance claim. You think the other driver caused the wreck. You've got to go to their insurance company to pay you, in most cases at least. That insurance company doesn't owe you anything. They owe their insured something, but they don't owe you anything. And the last thing that they want to do to somebody they don't owe anything to is give you money. And so they're going to take every opportunity to make your case worth as little as possible or send you away without paying you anything at all. So from the second the insurance company is made aware of the claim, they assign that to an adjuster. That adjuster's job is to find all the ways why they can deny your claim or devalue your claim. So if they know you don't have an attorney, that adjuster goes into overdrive. That adjuster, you become at the top of that adjuster's list. They're going to race to do two things. One, find all the reasons why you're at fault, where their insured at least isn't at fault. And second is try to settle your case if they think they've got to pay you anything for as absolutely little as possible. So what the insurance company and the adjuster will do is start talking to you, sometimes a lot. And what they want to do is lock down a version of what happened in the wreck from your mouth that is harmful to your claim. So they will try to get you to give them a recorded statement, or they'll send you an email with a summary of something you said and get you to agree that that's correct. And they will ask questions or summarize your statements in a way that makes it sound like maybe you're at least somewhat at fault. And that helps them be able to reduce anything they might actually owe you. Now, if they assess at that point that maybe they've got to pay you some money to get rid of you, maybe you're telling them you've got some injuries, then they're going to try to settle your case right away. They want to settle your case before you get it in your head you need to hire an attorney. The reason why is once a settlement is reached, you're going to sign a settlement agreement before they'll send you a check. And that agreement releases them and their insured from paying you anything else. The reason why they do that up front is one, to get it done before you can hire an attorney. But second, they do it so they can figure out how to settle your case before you understand how injured you really are. And again, once you sign that settlement agreement, you can't go back and ask them for more money. So if you think, well, I went to the urgent care and I'm injured, but I haven't done anything else, you settle your case. And then a few weeks later, you decide you're still in pain and go to the doctor, and your doctor says, well, yeah, you've got some bad injuries, and you end up running up tens of thousands of dollars of medical treatment, you're out of luck. You can't go back and ask for more money. And oftentimes what they'll offer you is, $800 or $2,000, which sounds like okay money if you've got rent to pay. $2,000 can go a long way towards your bills this month. But if you've got $20,000 of medical bills in your future, $2,000 isn't a lot. And certainly your case is worth a lot more than that. You've got $5,000 or $10,000 in bills. Your case is worth a lot more than the $2,000 they gave you. And you may still have to take that $2,000 and pay for your treatment. So you may end up actually getting nothing at all out of it. So it's really important to at least talk to an attorney before you sign that settlement agreement, before you agree to anything. And you deserve to know you have a right to talk to an attorney to evaluate your own case and make an informed decision. Now, one thing that the insurance company definitely will not inform you about is what their own research tells you about hiring an attorney. According to insurance industry research, people who hire an attorney get paid 3 to 4 times more than people who don't hire an attorney on average. And if the alternative is $200, $800, $2,000, it's really easy for you to get significantly more than three times the value of $2,000 on a case where you had to go get medical treatment. But this is what their research says. So if hiring an attorney is worth 3 or 4 times as much, then even paying an attorney, you're still walking away better, having the benefit of an expert advocate on your side. But you've got a lot of decisions when it comes to car accidents about what law firm you hire, what attorney you hire. And not all of us approach cases in the same way. There are firms out there who have more of a volume practice where everyone gets kind of the cookie cutter approach. And when your treatment is done, then the law firm appears out of the abyss to get paid on your case. We don't do that. What we do that's different from a lot of personal injury firms is our attorneys get involved in your case right from the start and maintain commitment and involvement to your case. So you don't ever have to wonder what's going on with my case? What do I do next? But I can't get a hold of my attorney. That doesn't happen here because we are engaged. And I've built this law firm so that we're able to do that. So we're able to maintain communication with our client, that we want to talk to our clients. It's my belief that talking to clients and engaging with clients is not only helpful for them along the way, but helps them get more compensation out of their case. It makes their cases more valuable. By giving clients good experiences, we're able to do all the things we need to. And that's what I feel like really sets us apart from the experience a lot of people have at other options they could choose in the state.